Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today, yes, that's right, we got another brand new unboxing. Alrighty guys, before we get started on today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and do not forget to hit the bell so every time I upload one of these videos, you're going to get notified. With all that out of the way, let us get started on today's video. So, just gonna get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. This is part of a pack. So this is the HUF pack with the Nike Air Max 1s. This is going to be the Pear green pair. I'll get to the label in just a second. But yeah, so this came in a 3-pack. All right, so this one is the most widely available. Was the green one. There was also the brilliant orange, which I have right here. I'll be doing an unboxing of that as well. And then also the pink pair. Now the orange was more limited than the green, and the pink was the most limited, which was HUF exclusive, and I believe also Japan exclusive as well. So the orange pair was the second most limited. That one only released at HUF, as well as skate shops and also tier 1 retailers. So retailers like Menair, Social Status, stores like that. I do really enjoy this pack. I'm a, Air Max 1 fan. I don't have a lot of pairs. I have the big bubble. I had 2 pairs of, I had that one and the Royal one. And now this is going to be my, 3 and 4th pair of Air Max 1s. Here we go. So, simple box. You're gonna have half of it with this nice green color as well as the HUF logo. It kind of just looks like your standard cardboard box that's coming in. A little bit different than your traditional, just your Nike orange box. Size tag and a label reads Nike Air Max 1 SP Special. Colorway is anthracite, pear, and medium gray. Went with a size 11.5 because I think Air Max 1s pretty much fit true to size, and I am a true to size 11.5. Now, opening up the box, you are going to notice that you are going to get some nice special paper inside these guys. You're going to get the HUF logo at the top. You're also going to get the HUF store front, right on the paper as well. I believe it's the San Francisco store. Don't quote me on that if I am wrong, but I believe that is the storefront of the San Francisco shop. And you're also going to get the owner's dog right there, which pretty cool little nod as well right there, because there's another feature that includes the owner's dog as well on the shoe itself. But when you open up that box, man, you're gonna get the shoes, and these things are clean. So the first note, like I just mentioned about the dog, is you're going to get a special little hang tag right here. Nice metal hang tag coming in the little HUF plastic bag, and the little doggy, the metal hang tag is going to be inside that plastic bag as well. So pretty cool little touch right there. While we are on the other, shoe right here, you're going to get an extra set of laces in these guys as well. Just a nice flat black lace. Standard, the, laces that come in there is going to be that anthracite and green pear colorway that's already going to be pre-laced in the shoes. And then while we are over at the tongue anyway, let's just get into, the tongue itself and the patch. So you're going to get this nice little nubuck and or suede feeling tongue, and you're going to get the HUF Air Max patch right over in the front of the tongue. HUF logo with the Nike swoosh in white, as well as the Air Max down below in black lettering. Behind the tongue, you're just going to get your traditional size label. It's going to be in this nice little black felt and or whatever traditional sock liner material. The sock liner itself is going to be in that nice pear green color. I actually really do. It's more of like an apple green, pear green, whatever you want to call it. It is not as bright. I don't know if this camera or the overhead shots are going to show you. It's not as bright as some of the marketing images go for the sneaker. However, I actually like it. It reminds me of like a sour apple type of color. I don't know how well you're going to be able to throw some outfits together with these things, right? Because, obviously green is kind of a harder color to kind of pull off, but great shoe for the gym. For me, Air Max 1s are pretty damn comfortable in general for me. And just overall, nice clean silhouette. Now, let's get into some of the material choices. Now, you're going to get an all over pretty much nice suede, like on the back of the heel tab. You do have that nice little suede transition going on. So that does feel pretty premium to the touch. While we're on that heel tab, around the back of the heel tab, you're going to get the Nike Air branding stitched up in that nice pear green color. Gray suedes. You're also going to get this nice cracked leather that wraps all the way up the, toe box, mud guard, and stuff like that. But this is a nice little cracked leather. Again, I'm gonna have some detailed shots for you guys, but hopefully you can tell on camera. It's like a nice cracked leather. And then the actual toe box, if we go over to do the press test, it's a decent quality leather. Almost feels more of like a TPU type of leather. It's gonna be extremely durable. They didn't go with like a nice, like a mesh. They didn't use any mesh on the Air Max 1 that, most do come with. It is a soft, like it feels very soft to the touch, but and it's not like a plasticky material. It's a weird type of material, but it's definitely going to be extremely durable, and it's going to wear in pretty well, I would assume. Now, going over to the tongue, like I said, you're going to get the nice little suede feeling tongue around the inside, and on the outer layer as well, you're going to get that nice little gray suede. On the Nike swoosh, you're going to get that pear green color, nice feeling tumbled leather as well over on that Nike swoosh. That does really feel really nice to the touch. Like I said, pretty standard. I mean, your insole is just your standard insole, but it does feel a little bit thicker. Like you're going to actually have some really nice padding on that insole as well. It should be really comfortable. On that insole, it's going to be that nice pear green insole. You're going to get the HUF branding as well as a white Nike swoosh inside of it. On your midsole, you're going to get your standard traditional Nike Air Max 1 midsole, that nice file-on material, as well as that air bubble. Inside the air unit, you're going to get that nice pear green colorway going, and you can see it peeking through. You are going to see that nice little green color in there. Nice little touch. Midsole, like I said, nice gray, just a simple gray colorway. I do love the traditional Air Max 1 outsole. I love the look and the feel of it, to be honest. It reminds me of like an old school like waffle cut almost. It's not the waffle outsole, but it just kind of looks like it. Similar traction pattern, you know what I mean? I love this green hit at the very front of the toe box that wraps up to the top of the toe right there. You do got that peeking through. I do think that's a pretty cool little touch, as well as just your gray and your black going on that outsole. But guys, these things are very nice. I like the Air Max 1 as well. It's a very comfortable model to wear. These actually feel pretty light. They feel a lot lighter than my Air Max 1 Big Bubbles that I have in, the red and white colorway. For some reason, maybe with the bigger air bubble unit and stuff like that, it was a little bit thicker and heavier. I am going to just assume, because those feel heavy and that's a mesh material now. These feel much lighter and it's all leather and suede, so I don't know. That just, for what it's worth, I figured I would just mention that as well. But yeah, very clean colorway. Love the nice little collab that they went. These things pretty much tanked on the aftermarket if you are interested in that. These things released for, I think, $150 or $160, something like that. And right now they're pretty much going for retail, maybe a little bit above retail, like $10 or so. But after taxes, pretty much going to get these things for retail if you want these. The other colorways, the orange, that one's dropping in retail as well. The only one that's pretty much holding that, after market resale value is the pink colorway, just because it was pretty limited and exclusive. But overall, guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions on the HUF Nike Air Max 1 in the green and anthracite colorway. I really like them. Dope little collaboration. I like the pack overall in general. And I'm just a fan of Air Max 1. So if you're a fan of Air Max 1s, let me know down in the comment section below. Did you go for these things? Did you pick them up? Or are you passing? Or maybe you're waiting to see if they go on discount, because they might. These things, this colorway in particular, you may be able to get at a discounted price. So let me know all that good stuff down in the comments section below. And if you did enjoy this video, like I said previously, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and don't forget to ring the bell so you're not going to miss another one of these uploads. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You just chilled with Dill, me, and the Nike Air Max 1 HUF green colorway. We're out. Peace.